With just a few simple ingredients from the local market, you can make a rich, creamy, refreshing, and fragrant chocolate milkshake that the whole family will love from the first. Hôm nay tôi sẽ làm một ly sô-cô-la sữa lắc thật ngon cho cả nhà. Hôm nay tôi sẽ làm một ly sô-cô-la sữa lắc thật ngon cho cả nhà. I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market. The market is so lively today. Two bottles of fresh milk, please. This ice cream looks delicious. Wow. The cocoa smells really good. This bar will give the chocolate a richer flavor. Just a little sugar is enough. I'll take another bottle. The honey will smell even better, I'm sure. Ice is essential.
Beautiful decoration makes it more appealing.
The strawberries will look better. The mint leaves smell so good. Эти соломинки очень красивые. The more beautiful the cup, the better the drink tastes. I've bought enough. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now it's time to go to work. The whole family will love this.
Ready to start making the chocolate milkshake.
Let's begin. Keep everything clean. Being organized will help speed things up.
The blender is ready.
Fresh milk will create a smooth texture. The ice cream will make the milkshake richer. Pure chocolate smells so good. A little cocoa will enhance the flavor. Just a gentle sweetness.
A little more sugar is enough.
Cold ice makes the drink cooler. Close it before turning it on. Let's start blending.
The consistency is perfect.
The chocolate color is so appealing. The consistency is just right. Just the right amount of sweetness A delicious chocolate aroma. Make it a little colder. Preparing to pour into the cups. Here's the first glass. So smooth, just as expected. Both glasses must be completely full. A clean glass looks more appealing. A really soft layer of cream. Both glasses are beautiful.
Adding a little more grated chocolate will make it more fragrant.
A little cocoa is enough.
The strawberries make the drink stand out.
Add a little more fresh green.
Ready to enjoy.
The colors are so captivating. 2 perfect glasses. Just a little adjustment and it'll be perfect.
Even small details matter.
A little more syrup would make it more flavorful.
Add a little more crunch.
Beautiful from every angle. Let's bring it out for everyone. I hope you all enjoy it. Please enjoy your chocolate milkshakes. Perfect.
Even the dining table must be clean.
It would be tastier with more cookies. That's very thoughtful. A little light would be nicer. The light is so beautiful. This glass is beautiful.
Small details make all the difference.
The cream is still fluffy. Just a little more and it would be perfect.
Everything is ready. Come on, everyone, have a milkshake.
Hurry up! It's more convenient to sit here.
Don't forget the spoons.
The children will love the cookies.
Just waiting for everyone. It smells so good.
Everyone's here. Enjoy your chocolate milkshakes, everyone. Please, everyone, have a seat.
It's so lovely to be here.
Looks delicious. Let's enjoy these milkshakes.
It's so beautiful, sister. Yes, it is.
Looks delicious.
Absolutely. Let's try it. Thank you, dear.
It smells so good. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Grandpa.
Everyone gets a share.
Drink slowly, children.
We love it.
Yes. So good.
We love it.
It smells so good. Yes, it does. So fragrant.
Enjoy your meal, everyone.
Enjoy your meal, everyone.
Enjoy your meal, everyone.
Delicious.
The ice cream is so delicious.
You did very well.
The taste is very balanced. Yes, it's perfect.
Eat slowly. They go very well with the cookies.
It's even tastier now.
That's a success.
It's so nice to have everyone here.
We're also happy to be here too.
Cheers to family.
Cheers to the whole family. Cheers to family.
Today's meal was wonderful.
It's been a long time since the whole family has gathered like this.
Yes, it truly has, Grandpa. This is wonderful.
We should do this more often.
It's absolutely delicious. So yummy. We love it. The best ever.
You're getting better and better at cooking. Thank you. I'm glad you liked it.
Cheers, Dad. Cheers, Dad.
Eating it this way will taste better.
Yum, it does.
Now you try.
It's so delicious, Grandma. So delicious, Grandma.
They're so adorable. Laughing.
Giggling.
Eat slowly, honey.
Okay, Mommy.
Everyone, have some more.
And then he looked at me and said the most ridiculous thing.
Every meal should be this joyful.
Family is the greatest happiness. It really is.
Cheers. Cheers.
Let me help you. Thank you, Mom.
Can you help me clear this?
It's really delicious.
Let's go get some fresh air. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Yes, so peaceful. What a peaceful scene.
How happy!
Smile.
See you at the next delicious meal.